In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a stunning 3D photo for your Facebook post. It's quick and simple, so let's jump right in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Start by making sure you're on the Home tab. Next, tap What's on your mind to start a new post. From here, tap Photo, Video to choose an image. You can either select an existing photo from your gallery or tap the camera icon in the top right corner to take a new one. Once you've picked or taken your photo, tap Done to proceed. Now, to add the 3D effect, tap Make 3D at the top of your photo, or if you see an option labeled 3D under Effects, tap that. Facebook will automatically transform your photo into a dynamic 3D image that moves as people scroll or tilt their screens. That's all it takes. Your 3D photo is now ready to impress your friends and followers. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy guides. Have questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.